I wanted to challenge every government worker here, politicians, all of you here who are in positions of authority. I think that it is a travesty that in 2018, people are walking naked in Nigeria. There are no basic schools in some places. And I don't know where this tape is going to go, but I pray it goes wherever. That the northern politicians should be ashamed of themselves for the times they have been in government and the times they have ruled, that there must be, at the barest minimum, is that there should be a primary school in every local government in this country, and that there should be a secondary school. May God have mercy on every politician, especially northern politicians who hold power with all their lives, but do nothing with the power. The power is for responsibility. Power is for caring for the poor. And as much as you are taking the money that belongs to the poor people and making it your personal money, that the judgment of God will be upon your head. The judgment of God. I think the barest minimum we can do for human beings is to give them water to drink. Even if we're not going to give them pipe-borne water, we should at least dig a hole for them. They can drink decent water, water that looks clear. We owe that to them. We owe them a basic school. To hear that there is a place where only one child can speak English or can even read and write at the age of 22, it's a shame. It's a shame. It does not happen in Yoruba land. It does not happen in Igbo land. It happens only in Hausa land. In every Igbo community, in every Yoruba community, there is a school. There is a school. Shame on the north. Shame. Shame, shame, shame. 1,000,000 times shame.